Hi everybody, I'm Andreea, and in today's video I'm going to tell you all about how I whiten my teeth at home. This video is sponsored by Smile Brilliant. They reached out to me a couple of months ago and they were asking me if I would like to try their professional teeth whitening kit. And since I am obsessed with my teeth, I said I shall give it a try. Now, because I have very sensitive teeth, my teeth are so thin. First of all, they're so transparent, if that makes sense. I'm a little bit afraid of the teeth whitening procedure. So now I was asking them if I could have two kits, one for me and one for Alex. And they said, okay. So when I received the kit, I was asking Alex to do it first. I saw it worked for him. So that's when I started to use it myself. Here you can see the before and after picture with my teeth. Here is the before and after picture with Alex's teeth. I didn't realize that it makes such a big difference until I've actually looked at the pictures. And I was also doing a video last week where I was trying a bunch of lipsticks and they all looked really good because my teeth were like so white. I would like to mention that I have a giveaway for you. Smile Brilliant is offering one of you a T6 sensitive system kit valued at $175. Please check out the description down below. You will have a link if you'd like to enter this giveaway. Now let me show you how it works. Smile Brilliant have this unique system where you can create at home your own trays. So this is what you get when you receive the whole kit. You got trays and you got a gel to take your own impressions. It comes with 3 whitening gels, 3 syringes like this. And here's how the magic happens. So you have this trays, right? One for your top teeth and one for your bottom teeth. And then you have the base and the catalyst. You mix them together and to become one. You create a paste. You have to follow the instructions. They come with instructions, so make sure you follow them. You create this paste and then you put it right here. You put this in your mouth and you don't bite it, you just push it upwards. You keep it for a couple of minutes. Again, you have to follow the instructions. You take it off. You do the same thing. You mix another catalyst, another base together. You put it in the second tray, bottom, press, leave it for a couple of minutes. The same thing, right? Then you have the envelope where you are going to put your trays. So you just put the trays in here like this. The trays have already a code that comes with. You just close this, you take it to the post office, you send this. First I was thinking like, that's so much effort. Go to the post office, but once you do it, it's like so simple, like really. You don't need to write anything. They have the code on it, they have their address on it, so it's that simple. You just need to send them. It takes about 7 to 10 days to receive your custom fitted trays. When you receive them, they will come in like this cute little case, and here's how mine look like. To start the teeth whitening process, you just take the gel and you put a small stripe of gel like right on the middle, and then they're perfect for you. What I love about this system is that it really works in the crevices of your teeth. Like I used to have, as you see in the picture, I used to have some stains like right at the base, like in between my teeth, and this is the only thing that actually worked, especially for that. You do the same thing on your bottom teeth. They recommend you to brush your teeth and floss before you use the whitening gel. Now, because I've got sensitive teeth, I've realized that it's so much more comfortable for me to not brush my teeth. So the way I do it, this is just my personal advice. I don't brush my teeth in the morning first. I just use the teeth whitening gel. They say you're supposed to have it for in between an hour and 3 hours. I leave it for 1 hour and 15 minutes. This is what's great about it, that you can adapt it depending on your needs. So I only floss first. I put the gel, I put the trays in my mouth, and I leave it for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. Now, if you've got really sensitive teeth, and I really recommend you to get these, this is a really good product. This is the desensitizing gel. It looks like this. You do the exact same thing. Just make sure you don't have any whitening gel left on your teeth. So make sure your teeth are really clean. So you just apply a small amount, like just a strip right here. You leave it between 15 and 20 minutes, and you don't need to brush your teeth after, because this is actually good for your teeth. So the way I used it, I applied the whitening gel first, and then the next day I will apply the desensitizing gel. Then I don't use anything for a couple of days, then I use again the whitening gel. To be honest, I've only used it for 6 times. The first 2 times that I've used it, I've only kept it for 45 minutes just because I was afraid not to have any discomfort. But after 2 times using it for 45 minutes, I saw that I didn't have any problems, so I kept it for 1 hour and 15 minutes, 1 hour and 20 minutes, and for me, that worked. Now, I'm sure that I could get them even wider than what they are right now, but I'm happy with the results. I don't want to have like paper white teeth. This kit absolutely works if you are a real coffee drinker like Alex. Alex loves to drink coffee and tea. I only drink 1 coffee in the morning and that's it. So I absolutely recommend this if you have stained your teeth from coffee, or if you just naturally sort of have yellow teeth. I figured I should have Alex here with me.
Hi guys.
To show you his result for real. Smile, like with your whole teeth.
I'm dragged here by my wife. Usually I'm behind the cam, but now she wanted me to show you my teeth.
So, how many times did you use it?
Around 5 times.
I would like to mention that I'm wearing retainers because I was wearing braces as an adult. So I have retainers top and bottom, so that has not been a problem for me. Now, once you have your trays at home, if you decide to order some more gel, you could do that. You don't have to wait and to do the whole procedure. So this is how I whiten my teeth at home. That's all I am doing now. I'm very glad that I have these. I cannot tell you how happy I am because I can whiten my teeth whenever I want. They did provide a code for those of you who would like to buy the kit. So if you enter Andreea20, you get 20% off. I think it's a great discount offer. And if you'd like to enter the giveaway to win a T6 sensitive system value at $175, please check the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. You find all the information in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Ah! Let me know in the comments down below whose teeth are whiter. No, he doesn't care about the rest, all the rest of the people that are not as perfect as he is. He's worse than a woman when it comes to... No, I'm sorry, that's my, it's really my bad son. It's 1 a.m. and we're filming this. We have to be up at 6 a.m. Come on!
Son of a daughter.
Son of a daughter. You see, I'm tanned.
I have the famous picture.
And you're like the cheese. Anything else that you have to brag about other than your t-shirt? You can kiss me, it doesn't come off, look. I am sorry to tell you, but my teeth are whiter. Don't you guys think mine? No, mine are... No, just stay here.
No, just look at mine.
Mine are whiter. It's so obvious. Please comment down below and let me know whose teeth are whiter. I'm doing the giveaway, okay? You could just...
I'm a bit tall.